Back in 2021, the consumer tech startup, released the Ear One True wireless earbuds. 2 years later, and it's time for a refresh with the imaginatively named Ear 2 earbuds. They provide some great quality of life enhancements, such as support for multipoint connection, but they're very similar to their predecessors. When you put the two together, it might be difficult to tell them apart. In this video, we are going to look into these new earbuds and see if they are worth your money. But in usage, the Nothing Ear 2s appear to be a far more finished product. There are fewer problems, more competent active noise reduction, and a significantly improved and polished sound. It's enough to elevate the Ear 2s from a stylish set of earbuds with mediocre performance to an accessory that nearly sounds as nice as it looks. It's simply a shame that, at $149, they're no longer an entry-level deal. Price and appearance. The Nothing Ear 2 earbuds are now priced at $149, a 50% increase above the initial $99 price range of the Nothing Ear One. That's not totally surprising given that they raised the price of the Ear One earphones by the same amount in October, but it does have an impact on who the Ear 2's rivals are. $149 is comparable to the second and third gen AirPods and the same price as Samsung's Galaxy Buds 2. It means that Nothing's buds will have to set a far higher standard than their predecessors. Nonetheless, when compared to the Nothing Ear 1s, the physical differences appear to be modest. The casing of the Ear 2 is significantly smaller and lighter, and the earbuds themselves are slightly taller and lighter. Nonetheless, the dimensions are close enough that the earbuds may physically fit in either charging case. Bear in mind that the Ear 2s are not functionally cross-compatible with the earlier generations. Nevertheless, Nothing claims to be using more durable plastic this time around, which should potentially lessen the number of scratches compared to what we witnessed on the Ear 1 case. Battery life and charging. The battery life is both greater and worse than that of the Ear 1. Nothing says that with active noise cancellation turned on, the Ear 2s provide 4 hours of playing from the buds alone, which is the same as the Ear 1s. They offer up to 22.5 hours of battery life when the case is fully charged. When ANC is disabled, those values improve to 6.3 and 36 hours respectively, which is again an improvement on the Ear 1 tests. However, when compared to many of the Ear 2's noise cancellation competitors, the battery life isn't excellent. Samsung's Galaxy Buds 2 provide a more remarkable 5 hours of active noise cancellation playback from the buds alone, while Apple's more pricey AirPods Pro 2 provides 6 hours of active noise cancellation listening from the buds alone. This is not even mentioning that the AirPods Pro 2 provide over 30 hours of listening time when the case is fully charged. Wireless charging is still available, as with the Ear 1s, which is especially beneficial if you have a phone that supports reverse wireless charging, such as the Nothing Phone 1. Alternatively, a USB-C connection is included in the package for wired charging. There is no charging brick supplied, as is becoming increasingly common in consumer electronics. IP rating and other features. Another thing to consider when it comes to construction quality is the IP certification for dust and water resistance. Nothing indicates that the Ear 2 earbuds are IP54 certified, which is far superior to the IPX4 classification of the first-generation earphones. In truth, the only difference here is the inclusion of 5-level dust protection. Water resistance is still 4, which means you'll be safe from splashes but not submersion. It falls between the IPX2 rating of the Galaxy Buds 2 and the IPX7 grade of the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. This is fine if you intend to sweat while wearing Nothing's earphones, but not if you intend to wear them while scuba diving. The Ear 2 headphones, unlike the Ear 1s and other earbuds from Samsung, are controlled by pressing the stems on each earpiece, similar to how Apple's AirPods are operated. If you are a fan of the tap mechanisms used on other earphones, then all of this can be changed on Nothing's mobile app. This leads me on to another feature of the Nothing Ear 2, customization. A slew of new customization capabilities for these earbuds are aimed to tailor them to your ears and listening habits. They're all available for iOS and Android through the Nothing X app. There's a sound personalization feature that attempts to test your hearing by having you listen to a series of beeps at varying pitches, and ANC personalization feature that attempts to automatically calibrate the noise cancellation of the earbuds to your hearing, and an equalizer that gives you manual control over your audio. Another feature may notify you whether you're using the correct ear tip size. And there's also an adaptive noise cancellation mode that adjusts its strength according on how noisy your surroundings are to avoid draining your battery in calmer environments. Multipoint connection, or Nothing's dual connectivity, allows users to connect their earphones to 2 devices at the same time. The transition from device to device isn't instant, but that's standard for multipoint. It's fantastic to see it included, especially given that it's still missing on other competitors such as Samsung's more pricey Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. The Ear 2 earbuds are a well-rounded pair of mid-range earphones priced at $149. These have the same look as the Ear 1s, but without the rough edges. When it comes to more luxury earbuds, Sony, Apple, and Samsung still rule the roost, but the Nothing Ear 2s are a fine option if you're on a slightly tighter budget. Anyway, that's all from us today, guys, on Nothing's brand new Ear 2 wireless earbuds. Please be sure to like the video and subscribe for more content like this.